Golden weed is often found in many medicines and for personal use. The plant is used in many ailments, from its positive effects on the digestive system to kidney diseases. It is a miraculous plant that has proven to have many benefits to the body due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. What are the benefits of golden herb? The benefits of golden herb, which is a rich storehouse of vitamins and minerals, known for facilitating digestion and relieving joint pain, are as follows. Vitamins C and P in golden seal increase body resistance and play an active role in the healing of diseases. Relieves complaints of rheumatism, arthritis, joint and muscle pain. Removes inflammation and edema. Dressing inflamed wounds with golden flower oil has a therapeutic role. It has menstrual expectorant properties. Cleanses the skin with its antioxidant properties, delays skin aging. Reduces symptoms of hemorrhoids. Herbal tea form regulates the digestive system, reduces indigestion. Prevents urinary tract infection. It helps the body to reduce the stones in the urinary tract naturally. Supports the weight loss process by accelerating fat burning in the body. Relieves problems such as heartburn and gastritis. Protects gallbladder and kidney health and helps to shed sand and stones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.